Welcome to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's very first lecture, we'll explore a fascinating question. What is the field of biological sciences? Why do so many people dedicate their careers and studies to it? And why should you be excited to join this journey with us? This is actually the 9th subject we're bringing to life with whiteboard animations on this channel, and many more subjects will follow with the same amazing approach. If you'd like to explore the entire playlist, you can find the link right below in the description. Imagine trying to understand life itself, how a tiny cell transforms into a complete human being, how species evolve over millions of years, or how plants silently fuel the planet's survival. That's exactly what biological sciences is all about. The science of life, in all its forms, from molecules to ecosystems. So, what exactly is this field? Biological sciences is the umbrella discipline that studies living organisms and their interactions with each other and the environment. It includes everything from molecular biology, genetics, microbiology, physiology, botany, zoology, ecology, to cutting-edge fields like biotechnology and neuroscience. In simple words, if it's alive, biology studies it. Why people study biology? Now you might be wondering, why do millions of students around the world choose this subject? Roughly 1 in 5 science students globally enroll in biology-related programs. That's because biology is directly connected to human life, health, environment, food, medicine, and even the future of our planet. Doctors, geneticists, environmental scientists, researchers, biotechnologists, all of them begin with the fundamentals of biological sciences, importance in past, present, and future. Historically, biology has shaped civilizations, from early herbal medicine to Darwin's theory of evolution that changed the way we view life itself. In the present, biology drives modern innovations, whether it's fighting pandemics, developing vaccines, or exploring stem cell therapies. And in the future, biology will be central to solving humanity's greatest challenges: climate change, food security, artificial intelligence in healthcare, and even the possibility of life beyond Earth. Simply put, biology is not just a subject, it's the story of life itself, past, present, and future. In this playlist, we'll dive into the 30 most important topics of biology, explained in simple yet powerful ways. We'll cover everything from DNA replication and genetics, to ecosystems, to neuroscience, to plant biology. Each episode will focus on one topic, breaking it down with examples, applications, and relevance to real life. So whether you're a student preparing to study biology, a teacher looking for fresh teaching ideas, or simply a curious mind who wonders how life works, this series is made for you. Why watch before entering this field? Before joining this field, watching this playlist will give you a clear roadmap of what lies ahead. Instead of diving in blindly, you'll understand the foundations, the career scope, and the interconnections across topics. Think of this playlist as your compass, guiding you through the vast ocean of biological sciences. So get ready to explore the science of life with us. This is just the beginning. By the end of this journey, you won't just study biology, you'll think biologically. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting lecture in the series. Because the story of life is too fascinating to miss.